runners, and 1,000 pardons for not being in touch with you sooner. I just got in from the Middle East, and boy, are my humps tired. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, a little Middle Eastern humor. I just want to tell you that now that we have nice weather, it would be very, very advantageous to all of you to get out and do some running and take advantage of it. The longer, let me repeat, the longer you wait before you start to run, the harder it will be for you to actually want to run. I know that in years past, our running calendar has not started until June 1st. But why wait till June 1st, which you can start doing today? Here are some things I want you to think about. How did your season end? Okay. Alexis, think about how your season ended. Did it end how you wanted it to end? No. We can use that as our motivation to want to continue to push forward. Cali, we have been close 2 years in a row to placing at state. But have we placed at state? No, we have not. I don't mean to sound bad, but we haven't. So, that should be our motivation. On the boys' team, think about how you did. Think about how your season ended. As a team, I want you to think about that feeling that you had in the pit of your stomach when you were at the Pierce golf course. It felt worse than getting hit by a camel's spit. And let me tell you, that does not feel good. Number one, they spit very hard, and number two, it's really gross because it's spit. But I want you to think about that. How did that feel? For some, it felt like you had just been punched right in the gut. I want you to think about, for those of you boys who qualified for state, how did that feel? Gavin, how did your state meet go? If memory serves me, it ended with us sitting in the medical tent like you had just been HVAC'd because you were part of a attack from the Taliban in my home country of Afghanistan. That's not very good. Brock, we had a good showing, but we know we can do better. In El Mason, think about how your season ended, watching the backside of a freshman for a good portion of the state meet. Do you want to watch his backside again? No, 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 I don't think you like seeing his backside. No, 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 no. Most men don't like seeing the backside of other men's. Okay? So, this should be our motivation. If we have not started running yet, we need to start running. If I need to, I will hop up on my camel and I will ride him to your house and I will tell him, why have you not been running yet? I will tell him to tell you, and he will chase you and he will spit on you. And spit from a camel is not good. It is not good at all. So we need to be taking advantage of this and getting out and doing some running. Okay? If you are not sure what you should be doing in terms of running, then you can contact me. It is, and let me give you my full name. Mahad Muhammad Dusho Mahah Haba. Or my friends call me Bill. You can call me Bill. Your friends call me Bill. I consider you my friends. You can call me Bill. Okay? So you can email me, Bill, and say, hey, Bill, what should I be doing? Because I'm not exactly sure what kind of running I should be doing. Again, 1,000 pardons with me not getting in touch with you sooner. But now that I am here in the motherland, in the holy land of runners, I do not know what happened. All of a sudden, the screen went dark. This computer technology, I'm not used to having this. when you live where I do in the mountains of Afghanistan, a lot of times you don't have this type of technology, so it takes me a little getting used to. I'm so sorry. Again, 1,000 pardons. So, like I said, I was sorry. I should have been getting in touch with you sooner, but I have now gotten in touch with you. And so now that I have done that, I want you to start keeping in touch with me. Let me know what you are doing in terms of running, because we will not be able to go to the school and keep track of mileage there, so you are going to have to email me your mileage. The official chart will not start till June 1st, but think about how much further ahead you will be if by the time June 1st rolls around, you already have a good 60, 70, 80 miles under you. So, please, I beg of you and my camels beg of you to please take advantage of this time and start doing some running. That is all I have. Shalom.